this easy.
Hello people, on this video I want to talk about GraphQL Apollo is going to replace Redux in local stage management. I want to show you Nomad Nodes. It's a free course that we have on Nomad Academy, and this thing, what it does is that you can create nodes over here, you can edit the nodes, there is a markdown editor. It's just cool. We can do stuff like this. We can edit, we come and we say grammar is a bitch. Hello, and it works. All right, now what I do here is that I refresh and it says stored on my local storage, so I can come back to it later and there is no problem. This is something called local state. I don't have anything on the API. This is everything saved on my local state. I'm managing my nodes, I am getting the nodes, I am editing the contents, everything is local state. And that is what people wonder, can I replace Redux in local state with GraphQL Apollo? My answer is yes, 100%. When you write local state stuff with GraphQL Apollo, it becomes more organized, it becomes more pretty. The learning curve is very, very, very low. With Redux, I think people were using Redux when they didn't need it. Redux. I think that Redux is a very complex solution to a very simple problem. And the problem is state management. Sometimes you actually do not even need GraphQL Apollo and you don't even need Redux. You can do everything on your own with React.js if you know where to put your code and if you know how to put it organized. But I think Redux was a very complex solution for a very simple problem, which is I just want to manage my state. And this is when stuff like MobX came. This is when stuff like Redux were competing, because MobX was like a library like this to replace state management, more simpler than Redux, and people used it, people liked it, and it was like great. But this was all mostly used with HTTP APIs. Now the good thing about GraphQL Apollo is that it's for GraphQL APIs, and you can mix this local state with the GraphQL local state in a very seamless way. And also you can use Apollo GraphQL, and also you can use the same languages that you're used to already, which is GraphQL, and the same structure, which is types, resolvers, mutations, queries. You can use all that in your local state. So I don't think they will replace each other completely, because Redux has a use case, and the use case is when you need to manage and store and change loads of data that comes from a REST API, okay, REST API. And Apollo is just like a all-in-one solution for managing your data that comes from a GraphQL API, including your new GraphQL API that you can make on your client. So they won't replace each other like that, but I think definitely that the use cases for Redux are gonna become less and less and less, because again, we don't need it that much. It used to be the only one solution, but now it's like, all right, we have more options, and actually we realize we actually don't need Redux so much. If you want to see more content like this, let me know in the comments if you disagree. Let me know in the comments why you agree, if you have used Redux. And I want to invite you to take the Nomad Nodes course that we have on the Academy. It's 100% for free forever. And I just want you to check it out, because maybe it will be your time to say bye-bye to Redux, just like I did. So see you on the next one. Bye-bye.